Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Um, I'm sure by now most of us have already most of us have already activated their Webex account and have already successfully uh, downloaded and also installed Webex in their PC or laptop. So this video is just to help those who have not activated their accounts and also have yet to install their Webex in their account in their laptop or PC. Yeah, okay. So first and foremost, you have to activate your account. You go to your email and find the email titled University Utara Malaysia has invited you to Cisco Webex. So you open that email and just activate it. Okay, I won't click the activate because I've already done it. I've already activated my account. So for those who have not done that, so you can just click this activate button, and you will receive another email to say that you have to change your password, and you just follow the instructions. Yeah. So once you've done that, so your Webex account is ready to use. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to download your Webex apps in your PC or laptop. So first you go to webex.com. Okay, Webex. Okay, so okay, just now you have to make sure that you have already activated your account, otherwise you won't be able to sign in with that UUM account. Okay, so now you just enter your email. Okay, and your password. Yeah. Okay, just click sign in. Alright. Okay, when this appear, I'll just show you how to download the app so that you can use the apps in your PC or laptop. Yeah, so you search for the button download, and you see here Cisco Webex Meetings desktop app. So download this. Okay, it's going to take a while. Okay, once it's has been successfully downloaded, so you just open and install. Accept. Okay, once you click install, it will take several minutes to install. Okay, once it has finished installing, you can see the finish button, so you can just click. Okay, now to start with the app, so what you do is just add your email. Okay, the next step is to launch your Cisco Webex meeting after you've already successfully downloaded and installed the apps in your PC or laptop. So just now the step was to put in your email and then select uum.webex.com and put in your password. So basically it will finish the installation and you will have this in your this icon in your desktop. Okay, so you click this, then you should get the apps window like this lah. Yeah, so this means that you have successfully installed the apps in your computer or your laptop. Okay, so next in this video I will show you how to download and install Webex in your phone, yeah, in your handphone. Okay. Okay, this is how you download and install Webex in your phone. First, you click Play Store. Okay, then you search for Webex. You can see the Cisco Webex meetings appear. So just select that one. And then click Install. Okay, you have to wait for a while until the downloading finish. Okay. And then you see it's already ready to open, so you just click open. Okay, you accept terms of service and then click OK and then click allow to everything. Allow. Okay, and then click sign in. Okay, put in your email, your UUM email. Then next, choose uumwebex.com. Alright. Okay, and then you put in your password. Okay, then you sign in. Okay, and then you can start your meeting. Okay, and if you have a code, then you can just join meeting. Okay, thank you.